Everyone, welcome to UGC NET GATE Studios. In this video, we will see a question which was asked in June 2020 of the UGC NET exam. So basically, this is a question on the pipelining system of the computer organization and architecture. So now we are basically solving question of computer organization and architecture. So let us see the question. A non-pipeline system takes 50 nanoseconds to process a task. The same task can be processed in a 6-segment pipeline with a clock cycle of 10 nanoseconds. So these are the units 50 nanosecond and 10 nanoseconds. Determine approximately the speed up ratio of the pipeline for 500 tasks. So basically in such type of question, we basically here we have a formula for the speed up. So it has asked the speed up ratio. So we have a pipeline processor and a non-pipeline processor. So it is asking the speed up ratio in case of pipeline processor for 500 tasks. So generally for the speed up, generally the formula of speed up is n into Tn divided by k plus n minus 1 into Tp. So this is basically the formula for speed up. So where n is the number of tasks, or we can say number of processes, k is the number of segments in the pipeline, means in the case of pipeline processor what is the number of segments, and we have another unit of Tn. It is the processing time or execution time in non-pipeline system, Tn, n for non-pipeline system, and Tp is the time in case of the pipeline system. So now we'll basically substitute the units in the formula. So let us see n, we have 500 tasks. So n we have 500 into Tn, that is time taken in non-pipeline system. Non-pipeline system is 50 nanoseconds. Okay. So here 50 and k plus n minus 1. K is the number of segments. So we can see the number of segments is 6. So k is 6 plus n again 500 minus 1 into Tp, that is the processing time in case of pipeline system. So which is 10 nanoseconds. So into 10. So this will give me 25,000 by 525. So it is 6 minus 1 is 5 and 500 minus 5 is 495 into 10. I hope the calculation is correct. 6 minus 1 is 5. So no, basically it is 5, not 5. Sorry. Okay. So 25,000 by 5050. Strike out the zeros. So basically we have this one. So now when you basically divide it, we will be getting the value of approximately it will be 4.95. It is the ratio, speed up unit. It is the speed up ratio is 4.95. So basically option B is the correct answer here. So it is an approximate value. So we are getting it in decimal. It is an approximate value. So basically this is a question of pipeline. So basically you have to remember this formula. So it is very helpful. So this type of questions are asked in also previous year. It is means it is an important type of question. So basically it was also asked in the previous year. So kindly check out this type of question, and in case if you have any doubt, do post us. Share and subscribe our channel so that we can make more videos of this kind, and kindly join our Telegram and WhatsApp group, so where you can post your doubts and any sort of question related to UGC NET, GATE, ISRO, any sort of question you want to ask, you can post there. So do practice a lot. The exams are also postponed now, so do practice a lot and say us how would you like this video. Thank you.